Cause I call them 20-somethings. Cause I call them 20-somethings. Cause I call them 20-somethings. God bless them 20-somethings. Hoping my 20-somethings won't end. Le temps s'étire, un doux sourire, je regarde l'heure. Pas mon cœur, la journée passe, l'ennui s'efface. Tu vas venir, je le sens mûrir. Si tu viens à 4 heures de l'après-midi, dès 3 heures je commencerai à être heureux. C'est le secret de notre belle vie, un compte à rebours sous les cieux. Plus l'heure approche, plus je t'attends. C'est le plus beau de tous les
Hey Softies, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Honoratha. So today is, what day is it today? Today is Sunday actually, and I just finished up cleaning up my space. I'm literally going to take out this hair today. Like, it's so old. I've had it for like over a month now. I'm going to do butterfly locks again, but I'm going to do short ones and colored ones. So I'm going to do that in this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Takealot because I'm so excited. Like, the order arrived yesterday and I've been so gagged. I don't really remember what I ordered. Okay, I'm lying. I really know what I ordered. And I'm so excited. Okay, we have 3 boxes. So the first box has 2 items. So let's see what's in here. We have, okay, first of all, for like content wise, I bought this wireless microphone. Yeah, I feel like it will help me when I'm speaking and also when I'm recording outside, like when I'm walking or in public. So I feel like having a microphone will really help with that because my voice is kind of low, but I do like increase my volume, the volume when I'm editing. I don't know how good this microphone is, but I checked the reviews and I think they were quite good. I think it was like 4.5 or 4.6 there. So I think that's a good review for your microphone. But yeah, we're gonna see, test it out. This is definitely for content. Look at me investing in my content already. Anyways, next up we have this professional recording microphone. Now I'm not starting a podcast, but I do want to get into like making or recording music. So yeah, that's this. I'm not gonna test it out, but like we're just gonna open it and see how it looks like. Okay. So apparently there are like 2 inside, which is so nice because at least if one breaks, it comes with 2. I don't know how this thing works. Like, I generally do not know how it works, but we'll find out and then I'll be back. And also I'm gonna do my hair later on today, so I'm definitely gonna test it out and see how it works. There's this thing, I think it's for charging, and there's another one, I think this is for like iPhones, and then it also comes with this item. Also comes with these 2 heads, so like if you don't want I think this one is for like, guys, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know, but it also comes with these 2 heads. So yeah, that's exciting. Okay, now let's open this box. Okay, these are the things that are in the box. There's quite a few items, so this is gonna take like a lot of learning from me. This is the first item. I have no idea what this is, but we can find out. I think this is the mic. Test it. And then it also comes with this. There's also this, and then there's this item. I think this is like for the mic. I don't know. Is this thing? I think, what is this? This is like the normal USB cable. Yo, there's this. I think this is, guys, I don't know. There's this thing. I don't think I'll ever start a podcast. There's this. I think this is to like connect to the table because I saw some pictures. Yeah. Yeah, there's this item. There's also this one. I think this is like an aux cable kind of vibe. I don't know. It has like this part, so I think it's like an aux cable. And then there's another one. And then we have some manual instructions. And this is the last thing. It says the sound card V8. I will definitely like read up and watch videos and tutorials and stuff on how to set this up. I'm literally just gonna be doing it for fun. Like I literally bought this recording microphone item just for fun because like I really love singing. Like I'm always singing, I'm always listening to music, so it only makes sense for me to like test it out, you know, and just do it for fun. And that's like the most important thing. It's like you doing things that you wanted to do as a child. It's just a matter of you finding out what it is that you love doing. Open this one now. This is the, okay, let's just open it. I hate like putting these things on my clothes because, girl, I'm wearing clean clothes and I don't know where these items were, you know. Okay, it's an LED light basically to help me with like filming in the dark because I usually like record a lot at night. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Didn't know that it was this big, if I'm being honest. It comes with a remote. It's the bag. That's how it looks like at the back. It comes with these batteries. I think it's like the AAA batteries. This is the final piece for this item. This I think is like the tripod part, so it is quite big. But yeah, this is the tripod part to like connect this. Let's set it up. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is big. These are the different tones. This is so good. Like I'm so impressed. Okay, off. Anyways, back to our natural lighting. This is the last Takealot order. Let's see. Such a lover of pink. This is basically a chessboard. If you know me from last year, no, from 2024, then you know that I love playing chess. I used to like play chess at school, so we do like teaching practicals and stuff. In my final year, I had chess as an extramural activity, so I was like assisting the learners with like playing chess and stuff, and that's where I like started playing chess. And then I would like play chess on my phone. Like Duolingo has like the chess app, so I'd play there. And yeah, so yeah. I love playing chess. It's more of a chess mat than a chessboard. I couldn't find like a pink chessboard anywhere. I have been looking online. I can't seem to find a pink chessboard, so we got a pink chess mat. They're all pink. Okay, they're pink and white. But yeah, I really love this. Honestly, I can't wait to like play. This is like proper pieces. Do not mind my nails. Guys, that's it for my Takealot order. I'm going to now continue cleaning because I still need to mop the floor and then shower, and then I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to take this hair out and then I'm going to redo the mini braids that I did, and then I'm going to install the butterfly locks. Okay, I'm going to set it up here. Okay, don't put white here. I'm going to put pink there. testing. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Honoratha. We are testing the microphone. Currently in the bathroom and about to do my hair. Just finished showering. Did my everything shower. Feel good, feel refreshed. It's been an hour later. Allowed my hair to air dry for a while. I'm about to do the LCO method on my hair. Yeah, I don't know what the audio sounds like, but let's check it out. So I have two microphones. I tested this one and now we're testing this one. Sound check. Yeah, so it's almost 10 p.m. and I'm about to do my hair. At the end of the day, I'm just a girl. Um, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Before I do the butterfly locks, I'm going to blow dry my hair. And then after that, I will redo the braids that are on my hair. I hope that does not take too long because I'm really trying to be done in the next 2 hours with everything. And then after redoing the braids, I will finally install the butterfly locks that I bought. Should I show you guys how it looks like? Yeah, let's just hear this audio. This is the butterfly locks that I bought. I bought it from the beauty supply store at the mall in the color 27, and it is, I don't know how many inches this is, but it looks like it's either 16 or 14. I've done this particular hairstyle before, or this butterfly looks before, like 3 years ago, so I'm excited to like redo it. I also got this butterfly curls. It says, I want to find out which audio works best, so that's why I'm trying out different audios in this video. I don't know if this one works best. I know this one is in particular is low if I don't increase the volume on CapCut. This is a starting time, by the way, and I have work tomorrow, so this is gonna be quite interesting. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. And I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said. And I need you to know you don't know what love is. I'm just gonna redo the front. You don't know, you don't know, and you don't know what love is. If you don't put up a fight, you don't know what love is. If you don't stay up all night, crying, you don't know what love is. It's 12 and I haven't even started. And I work tomorrow, so this is really gonna be so interesting. You know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh, I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh, I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh, swear you never seen it in your life. 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 Give me a run for money. There's nobody, no one around me. So give me a run for my money. So they love me, feel the love. They feel love me. I wanna be with you. Currently, what's the time? It's currently 3 a.m. and I am almost done. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 left. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling this hairstyle and it's 3 a.m. Like, what do you mean it's 3 a.m? I have work at 9 a.m. and this is how I'm looking. Ooh. Guys, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to do right now. Like, I don't like the color, I don't like the length, I don't like the thickness, and also I ended up using 2 packets and not 3, so I'm gonna have to return the other packet that's unopened. I don't know, I was just not feeling the color and everything, but now that I styled it like this specifically, I think it's kind of cute. Might keep it in for like a month again, maybe. I don't know, we'll see how long I'll keep it in for, but this is the final result, I guess. No, but it's not bad. I feel like it's just the lighting. Maybe like in natural lighting it will look much more better, but this is the end result for the hairstyle. Didn't do my edges, but I guess it's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. It's gonna do for now. It's also just like another winter hairstyle alternative to the long butterfly locks that I did. So I don't know how long this is gonna last me, but yeah, this is hairstyle number 2 for the winter season for me, and it's not bad, honestly. I don't know what I was stressing, but like, I don't know, the colors don't look so great like with this light, with this camera. But maybe tomorrow, like in natural lighting, when I go to work, it actually will look fine. But this is the final result. I do still have like this one packet left. I'm definitely going to return this because wow, it was 220 rand. Like, I want my money back. Okay, I'll return it probably tomorrow. Anyways, but yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys maybe on Friday when we go on a solo date. Bye.
20-something, ain't got nothing, running from love, wish you were here. Oh, stuck on them 20-somethings, stuck on them 20-somethings, stuck on them 20-somethings.